Okay, so food stamps do not cover the herbal bulk items at the Boise Co-op.
Free hugs, everyone.
Bunch of little monkeys. I have to admit, it's kind of humorous to me how wet the grass is. Alright, and that's not from any morning dew or rain. It's entirely the sophisticated network of irrigation that they have to put throughout the city, and even spots that you wouldn't suspect that they would do it. Wherever you see green grass, though, there's going to be some kind of irrigation, because grass can't grow green on its own around here with this little rainfall and as much heat and sunlight as it experiences. And they don't have to bury the tubes very deeply, maybe just a couple of inches, so it's pretty easy to set up a network for the sprinkler system. I think this is where they have the farmers market straight down this street. On 8th Street. I want to go to the public parking garage and get to the top and look down. I don't have much battery life, so I have to save it. Alright, so the Grove Plaza, and they're advertising this construction, so it's gonna have all these like tent things where the construction is going on right now. So yeah, the Wells Fargo. Alright, so this is the top of the public parking garage. They'll give you 1 hour for free. If you stay longer, you're trapped and you gotta pay. It's up to $12.50 for the whole day. It's incredible. So it looks like I'm on the same level as the construction workers. Over there you got Zion's Bank. What's Holland and Hart? I've never heard of that company before. Looks like they're probably some kind of banking institution as well. It's like all banks own these huge buildings. Key West, U.S. Bank, Wells Fargo, Zion's. These are the biggest buildings. CenturyLink owns another big one. But most of the big buildings are owned by banks and are probably being currently built by banks. Oh, there's another parking garage. Wow. I wouldn't have noticed that before. Visitor services. Okay, so yeah, and that's the apartment complex, I believe, right there. It really seems like people are living up there. Oh, yeah, there's a tower thing off in the distance. The library's that way somewhere. Can't be seen from this angle. Wow, you can really see all the construction going on. I feel like we're all on the same level. What are they making, a greenhouse over there? Some kind of housing type structure on the very top. That seems kind of strange. Pretty cool view up here. Yeah, they're really working on stuff around here. 1, 2, 3, 5-lane one-way road. Pretty crazy. See the construction. They got a top. What's that tower for? It's like a silo. They're making several silos. Are those to hold more levels? Seems kind of strange. And you look straight down. Yeah, that's a taller parking garage. I want to be up in that one. It's just a little bit taller. So all this should be public parking. You can hear them hammering away at something. You know, as big as these structures are, they still do some of the most basic work, just hammering away at things. It's just one piece at a time, one step at a time to get everything in order. Okay, so that's the highway. Oh, somebody's coming on up here. Yeah, this top is pretty full too. I'm surprised. But it is a weekday. So I'm not sure what this building is going to be used for. And it looks like I can go all the way to the end over there just to get a last look at things. So it's pretty neat. SOVRN? Sovereign? KPMG? I have no idea. They're building some exterior over there. Maybe some apartment complex. Wow. This parking lot is full. It was empty last night. Boise Farmers Market? Yeah, they have to empty it out for the farmers market. A lot going on over here. Elevators going up and down. They're gonna make some kind of a little garden in the center of all this. And so that's pretty neat, that little I don't know, bridge between two buildings. That's pretty cool. People are unaware of what's going on in the construction yard. That circular tube thing, that it looks like a slide you can slide down. I wonder what they intend for that. Is that just for fun? I don't get it. I don't know if it could show up on video very well. There is a lot of activity going on around here, though. Somebody's yelling. Sounds like a construction worker. Maybe somebody got injured. I'm gonna take a look at this notice. Please read it. Alright. Does not guard your vehicle. Alright. I just saw for the parking, that's it. Alright, so, oh, little birdie. Maybe I surprised it. More construction. Safari Inn. Grove Street. It's something 43. See there's so many people that use the worst font. H, and then I can't read the rest, 43, Chandler's. There's another dude, some kind of fitness club, they use a terrible font. I don't know what's going through their mind. There's just some font you shouldn't use, even though it's available. But on the ground level, it's not quite as fun to watch. It's not, they put up that barrier to take away the fun of watching them. Okay, I just left that parking garage over there, kind of. This is a visitor center. Marketing and sales. Oh man. So I want to take the elevator. I really need to exercise. So I'm going to go on up to like the 8th floor. It's a little bit taller than that one. Wow, that was a good workout. Alright, so there's some kind of dining up there. I think it might be somebody's home. Somebody's apartment. So I'm a little taller than that H43 parking lot. Whoa, it's a little more dizzying. See the size of that guy with his probably vending machine filler. Got this crane that's almost across the street. Kind of neat to see it up close like this. All the construction going on. Who knows how tall it'll get. But if it's if you use American logic, you know that newer thing's got to be taller and taller. And I'll tell you what, weather does not interrupt construction. You can get some of the fastest construction around here. There's virtually no weather delays, so it's easy. They got all these old tractors they're putting all over. Some kind of a weird theme. Count like at least 6 of them so far. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just on this side. Old tractors, the ones before the rubber wheels. Yeah, I'm pretty sure people live up here. Like every one of them's got to have their AC unit. And it looks like all the AC units, to make it easier, they just keep all the AC units down below. That's an interesting strategy. Please take your parking ticket with you. Alright. Oh, there's a roof. You can kind of see some things. A bunch of T's on the top of that building. Oh, yeah. I guess you can climb the stairs over here. See, there's a homeless guy who hangs out at the bottom of these stairs all the time. He doesn't dare come to the top anymore. So, this would be the top of where the guy hangs out. A little bit better view. That's probably why he likes it here, because you just kind of hang out and watch the traffic off in the distance. Get a view of what's going on overall. Although it's, I don't know, you look at it once, I think somebody lives there. Look at it once and, you know, what else is there to see? I mean, maybe check back every few weeks or so for the construction progress. Okay, really windy over here. See below, my hat could blow off. It makes me a little nervous. Not much else to see. It's a clock. I didn't know they had a clock up there. See off in the distance, you can see the stadium for the Boise State College. Oh, yeah, there's the library. It just the wording is on either side, not this side though. You can see like 15 construction workers on top of the roof. Yeah, just construction workers all over. Working on the street, working on the buildings, and they're making money somehow. I mean, they're getting money to do it. So I guess the economy is good for everybody else but me. Oh, alright, I know where to go. This is like the entrance for the Performing Arts Academy. I don't dare go in. And it looks fancy in there.
too.